customers depend on Bruckner's to keep their fleet in service. It's the Bruckner's standard to get the job done quickly and effectively, and that means our customers' trucks are back on the road, when and where they need to be.
Our customers know and appreciate that we work hard to minimize their downtime, and that's cost efficient for them. We find the problem and fix it as quickly and efficiently as possible.
Our customers appreciate good communication and transparency. We keep them involved and inform them of any changes along the way. Our goal is to get them back on the road as soon as we can.
We hire only the best service technicians here at Bruckner Truck Sales. The level of talent and expertise that we have is second to none. Utilizing the Mack and Volvo training centers, our service technicians are trained on the latest platforms, techniques, and electronics.
The education and training we receive is first class, and it helps us better serve our customers.
The Bruckner's team has over 450 highly trained service technicians, body mechanics, and fabricators. Our investment in state-of-the-art diagnostic technology and specialty tools ensures timely repairs. Our service locations have hours to fit each market, but help is always available 24/7. We also have over 25 service trucks to help those customers who can't make it into one of our shops.
At Bruckner's, it's all about customer service. It's very important that we utilize our Assist platform to continually communicate with our customers throughout the repair process. That's what sets us apart. Not only does our team know how to triage, diagnose, and troubleshoot repairs, they're to do it efficiently and do it well.
When our Anthem comes in for service, they will get right on it, they triage it, give us a report, tell us what's wrong, and then they'll tell us when we can expect the truck can return to service.
Bruckner's is your uptime solution provider, keeping you road ready.